My name is RTL-to-Signoff. I'm a design engineer at the Texas Instruments, and today I'd like to share our experiences by using a stylus-based RTL-to-Signoff Flow. We are developing microcontrollers, 16-bit microcontrollers for ultra power sensing and measurement applications. Recently, TI introduced the SimpleLink MCU platform, which is based on a 30-bit de facto industrial standard for microcontroller applications. And the intention is to provide the broadest portfolio for any kind of IoT applications by using a wired and wireless microcontroller. The motivation to migrating to Stylus is we'd like to intercept the SimpleLink platform with an integral RTL-to-Signoff Flow. And we had also a requirement that we need to be aligned with our strategic vendor roadmap. We'd like to take the advantages of FlowKit, of the common user interface, and of the unified matrix report. What's behind Stylus? So Stylus is based on a toolchain. It's sharing a common multi-mode, multi-corner setup. It's controlled by FlowKit. The transition from one tool to the other is seamless. It's running in the background. There is a common user interface established to have a unified common database access across the entire toolchain. And there's also a unified matrix reporting, which is consistent across the entire toolchain, which is comprehensive. It just provides a comprehensive visualization. So how it is integrated in our flow? So we have the project setup automation that's responsible for initializing the entire project. Once this is done, then we do have the FlowKit environment sharing the common setup, including our platform configuration, as well as our custom flow steps. We also have LAC, CLP, and CCD, which are the Cadence tools here for logical equivalence checking, for low power, conformal low power checking, encapsulated in the flow. And we also are using tools for HDL power analysis and voltus for airdrop and gate level power analysis. So actually there are several layers how we can configure the flow. Actually we'd like to use the Cadence default as much as possible, simply because it's experience based on a broad customer range. And there are several other layers in place which allows us to configure the flow in the highest flexibility we need. Now the FlowKit advantages, it's obvious, it's this one common setup, and we do have, it's quite simple to run through the entire flow just by using the flow tool commands. It's very flexible. You can add your custom steps, and you do have a comprehensive and consistent matrix visualization. You can report every step in the flow. You can get out the required matrix you want. So the advantages we see for the common user interface, I mean, this is consistent tool command forward and a unified common database access. So you get rid of all the individual behaviors of the tools like it was in the past. So now everything is unified and it's controlled by the FlowKit. So the guide through the flow is quite simple. So a summary, Stylus-based RTL-to-Signoff Flow is our platform for SimpleLink to gain the highest efficiency. Common setup is applied for the tools used, and we have a consistent command format and common database access. It completely fulfills our requirements for a worldwide flow. Thank you for listening.